welcome back to our channel. Benjamin and I and Bucky are going to try some milk that we got
and I'm not going to try any milk because I don't like this milk.
But we got this milk
Bucky's going to try milk.
Okay, we got some milk at Target. Now, everybody...
I'm hungry. I'm ready for some food.
Okay, so everybody's tried eggnog. Now, if you guys want to know this fun fact, I don't know if I've ever tried eggnog. I've been always afraid of it. Graham says try it. So, we got these at Target. All three of these. These were $2.49 a piece. We paid for it with our own money. So, today you guys are going to see my reaction to eggnog. We also got chocolate mint milk. Now, I think Ben would like this a lot.
Oh, I'm a gorilla.
I think Ben would like this a lot. He's actually had mint milk before, like the green mint milk, which is awesome. It tastes like Andy's mints. But I'm excited to try this. So this again was $2.49. And then the last one we got is the sugar cookie milk. I'm kind of excited to try this. I think it probably tastes like a vanilla. But yeah, Target had these and I'm like, you know what? I checked Brickseek to see if my store had it on hand and they did. So I am pretty excited to try them. Now I have opened them and poured them in glasses, but I have not smelled it. The one I'm probably going to... What one should we try first?
This one.
Okay, Ben wants to try the sugar cookie. So, and I'll probably do the eggnog.
Can Bucky have a drink first?
Yep. We'll do the eggnog and then the chocolate mint milk. So, this is the sugar cookie milk. It looks like...
Bucky first.
It looks like white milk with like a hint of yellow.
It
does smell like a cookie. It smells like a sugar cookie.
I like mint.
Have Bucky try it then.
Bucky.
Go. What does he think about it?
It's good.
It's good. You want to try it if he liked it? Okay.
Can Bucky have another sip? Go.
I like this, you guys.
Go.
Oh my god. It tastes like...
I want to try them so first.
It tastes like vanilla milk. Okay, honey. It tastes like a sugar cookie, like vanilla milk. This is really good. You should try this. It's like that aftertaste. It's really good. I like this, you guys. Oh my god. Definitely buying this again if I see it on sale. But yeah, sugar cookie milk.
The next one is going to be this one.
Okay.
I would point to it. I'll just...
Okay, he wants to try the eggnog next. So...
Can Bucky have a sip first?
Let me smell it first. Now, I do know there's like a cinnamon tape flavor. I just think when I think of eggnog, I think of like eggs. But Graham says there's no eggs in it, so Bucky's going to take a sip.
Go. That's so good.
So good. Okay. Here we go.
Should I take another sip? I'm okay. I just tripped.
It's really strong. I thought I was never... Ugh. I like it. It tastes like... No, it tastes good. You guys, I've been so afraid to try eggnog. I am 36 years old and I am finally drinking eggnog for the first time
do a somersault
in my life.
Bucky did a jump over.
It doesn't taste like milk. It tastes like there's cinnamon in it and like a vanilla. It's like a strong vanilla cinnamon taste. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Oh my god, you guys.
I want this one.
The only reason why I tried it was for you guys. Like, I was just going to get the two other milks, and I'm like, you know what, let's just do an eggnog taste, because I am so picky. I'm like the pickiest drinker. Yeah. Okay, so next one we are going to drink is the chocolate mint milk. I'm excited for this
I want to take a sip.
Okay, so right off the bat, it smells like mint chocolate, okay? So Bucky's going to take a sip.
Good.
Well, you should try it.
Bucky said it's
Okay,
good.
so let's take a sip.
Are they good? Are they good? I'm touching.
Good. It tastes like Andy's mints, you guys. Like, you know, like that one tastes... Like the mint milk that I've had in the past, it's like a really strong mint, but no chocolate taste. That's okay. That's okay. It's a really strong mint. Will you stop knocking everything over?
I
have a water bottle
right.
Hold on.
Bucky's gonna have a lollipop.
The mint milk that I've had in the past is like it says like a vanilla milk. Okay, shh. The vanilla milk mint taste. This is like
Bucky.
Okay, this is like an Andy's chocolate mint.
You're gonna tip me over. I wanna die.
You're not gonna die from tipping over. Okay, I really like this, you guys. I don't know what one of my favorite is. I do like eggnog. I'm not gonna say it's like the best, but what one did Bucky like the most?
This one.
He liked the chocolate one.
It liked the Andy's chocolate one. I really like all of them. I really like to take a sip because I want some white milk now.
It's a hard decision, you guys. I'm gonna have to say both. I like them both. I want
to eat all of them. I'm gonna drink them all.
I like the sugar milk and the chocolate mint milk. They're both the same. I cannot tell you guys the difference. So definitely check out your guys' Target. I like this.
And get thumbs up.
I hope they do stuff like this before because I like to share with you guys little things, and this is good, like bonding experience with Mr. Benjamin. But again, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a
thumbs up for Bucky.
Thumbs up for Bucky because we live in Wisconsin. Thanks for watching and see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
And Bucky will see you later on another video.